In this video I will show you the 6 coolest places on Nusa Penida Island, including Broken Beach, Kellingking Beach, Atuh Beach, Diamond Beach, Telletubbies Hills and Manta Bay. I will also show you exactly where these places are located on the map. We had been on an island called Nusa Lembongan, but we're now going to Nusa Penida Island, which is arguably the most famous island in all of Indonesia. Nusa Penida Island is located just 20 kilometers east from Bali.
We are here. We're having big troubles finding this hostel, maybe because all of the roads look the same.
We got to the hotel and paid 150,000 rupiah each, which is about $11 US.
Let's go to the Broken Beach.
We had rented scooters for 90,000 rupiah each per day.
We lost Dennis. Go find him. We found him.
We got separated at first, but 1 hour later we were there.
Okay, we are here at the Broken Beach.
Broken Beach is a scenic coastal formation on the southwestern edge of Nusa Penida Island.
This place is pretty cool actually.
There is a road upon the famous arch at Broken Beach that you can walk on. The landscape is made up of limestone rocks that have been formed throughout history by rough climate. Strong waves smashing into the rocks created this arch over an extended period of time. We started driving to the next destination but needed petrol. Usually you buy it from whiskey bottles or plastic bottles on the side of the road.
We made it on time for the sunset.
This was number 2, Kellingking Beach, which has become incredibly popular because of its spreading through social media, but also, of course, because it looks really amazing. You can hike down to the beach, but it will take you about 30 minutes and it's very steep. The day was coming to an end, but we really had to get the most out of this incredible view.
Are you ready?
No. I should put in my contact lenses. Okay. 5 minutes.
5 minutes. It's another beautiful day, and today we have a 1.5 hour drive to the south part of the island. The scooters are ready and we are almost ready to go. It's time to go. Now we are ready.
We got on the scooters and started driving to the next destination.
Almost there after 1 hour drive.
This was number 3, Atuh Beach. To get down there you have to hike for about 10 minutes. Atuh Beach is located between 2 steep cliff formations and is a very relaxing beach.
You ready to swim? What a great day! Time to go to the next beach.
If you hike up the steep steps by Atuh Beach, you will get to a viewpoint where you can see another beach called Diamond Beach. decided to hike down to this beach also, go swimming.
Now we're going down to the beach, and here we have a small little walkway with hundreds of steps to get all the way down.
It takes another 15 minutes to hike down to the Diamond Beach.
We made it down to the beach and it's time to go swimming. I must have to say that I really love Indonesia.
This beach was even better than Atuh Beach. It looked nicer and there were less people. Probably because the hike down there was a lot harder. Now we were heading to number 5, Telletubbies Hill. We drove all the way back home, but the next morning we woke up early to go on a snorkeling trip to see some manta rays. If you go to number 6, Manta Bay Point, then you're guaranteed to see some manta rays. Now I had to say goodbye to a really cool girl that I had met just a few days before. I really liked her and it was too bad that she had to go. Maybe I would see her again in the future. You never know what happens in life. It's full of surprises. Now I went to the Crystal Beach by myself. Some memories started flashing by in front of my eyes. The Crystal Bay Beach is another incredible location at Nusa Penida Island.
Here by the Crystal Beach, and I'm about to go out for some adventures.
The day was coming to an end and I was heading back to our hotel room.
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.